All right, this week's topic, renovation financing. So you're out looking at properties and maybe you just can't quite find that property that works for your needs. Or maybe you already are in your home and you want to do some improvements to the property. Renovation financing is a great opportunity for you to make that house you have, make it really your home.
Yeah. So say you're looking for a home and you're really on that search and you find a neighborhood that you really like, but the home within it needs a new kitchen or it needs new flooring. A renovation loan is a great option for you to look at because it's all done within one loan and you'll continue to make one payment for your future.
So you're going to go out, you're going to make improvements on the property. Why not put those into your loan where you can actually write off that interest?
Yeah. So if you have any questions about renovation financing, comment below or reach out to us directly and we'll see if that's an option for you to look at.
So make it a great week and we'll see you next time.
We are
the Hemry-LaSalla Group.